Hello and welcome to the tutorial about locking links in the CPALead platform. I will show you how to do it today, real simple, real quick, and it's a great way to make a passive income for your links, knowledge, whatever you're sharing and you want your users or your traffic to make you money. So for those who don't know, CPALead provides you a platform where you can promote some different ads. So it's just free and taking under 30 seconds to create a new ad, a new account. I myself already have an account, so I'll just log into it. Let's do it real quick via Google. Okay, so this is the dashboard. By the way, this is an updated video. My last video is the old version of CPALead dashboard, so you might be directing to this video in order to do the same thing. And let me tell you real quick, this is the earnings. As you see, I don't have much because I'm not very actively done in the last few months. So for the link itself, if you want to lock it, you go to all tools. Here you'll have few options and you have a create a link locker. Once you click it, here you put the title. So let's say complete the survey in order to download free ebook. This is required. This is needed in order to download the ebook. Takes less than 2 minutes. And now we'll just put a link into it. So it could be a file, it could be whatever you want to promote. Let's put just a Google in it. In more options, you got to display dating offers. So if you want to display them, keep it as is. If you don't, just press no. It's usually they pay more for these dating offers, but you can also, if you don't believe in that way and it's not ethical to you, you can choose no. The button title, instant access, and create a link locker. So once it's created, you'll see it down below. And as you see, they currently for this offer, they pay 2 pennies per click per survey to complete. So if we'll see it, if we want to get the link, we'll take it from here and you just share it with your friends. You can also view the statistics in it. So nothing happened. Let's enter the link. This is what it looks like, and upon user landing into it, he'll be able to click the survey and then he'll be redirected to the survey itself. Once he's done, this page will unlock the link itself and you're basically done, guys. So yeah, see you on the next video.